Luskin and Stephen Weiss. So we will check the markets. As Carl and Court were just telling you, we've had a nice little turnaround here. You can thank Goldman Sachs, which was down pretty heavily earlier. It's come back. JP Morgan, same story. Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, same story. That shows the Goldman move. We're going to get to all of that. The CPI, as you know, was cooler, but the biggest story out there remains how AI is just rippling through this market, sector by sector, day by day. We have a good wall to show you that sort of takes you through that in what Barclays determines to be a sell first, ask later market. No mercy for almost anything. There it is. Software, you know about that. Well, gaming, okay. Legal tech, insurance brokers, wealth managers, property managers, and freight off of that transports takedown yesterday, which was downright ugly. Weiss, take the first shot at this market, which, you know, maybe some people have looked at some of these areas that wall shows you, have gotten banged up and said, this is like, okay, a little crazy, a little ridiculous. Shoot first, ask later, but maybe you need to think about this before you do.
Yeah, I don't even, they used to say don't see the whites of their eyes. Well, they're not even waiting to see the whites of their eyes. So they're shooting in advance of shooting first. So look, to me, I made this observation last week that when markets go down, people say, wow, that's really healthy. But when they rise up with the same force and same vigor, like NASDAQ up 400 and the Dow up 1,000, nobody blinks an eye and says, this is great, let me add to it. Well, to me, that's the inverse. That's troubling, and that's what we've seen, we'll continue to see. Now, what happens in that, when you see these go down, I do think you have to buy. However, I will tell you that I'm looking to sell some things. I won't sell them down here. And the only ones I'm really looking to buy are the ones where I can really justify the valuation, and I don't need to deal with, is AI going to put them out of business or significantly damage their business? And that question